If you or a loved one are struggling with type 2 diabetes, you should visit the link in the description below. This clinically proven, drug-free program lowers blood sugar to a normal level and can completely reverse type 2 diabetes within just a few weeks. Here's today's video.
The question, what are the symptoms of diabetes in females? Answer by Amit Sharma. Diabetes in ladies. Diabetes depicts a gathering of metabolic infections in which a man has high glucose because of issues handling or delivering insulin. Diabetes can influence anybody, paying little respect to age, race, sex, or way of life. In the vicinity of 1971 and 2000, the demise rate for men with diabetes fell, as per an investigation in Annals of Internal Medicine. This was a noteworthy upset, mirroring the numerous advances in diabetes treatment. Notwithstanding, as indicated by the examination, the passing rate for ladies with diabetes hinted at no change. Also, the distinction in death rates between ladies who had diabetes and the individuals who didn't dramatically increased. This investigation of diabetes in men and ladies exhibited a few conceivable explanations behind the sex contrasts. Reasons included: ladies frequently get less forceful treatment for cardiovascular hazard factors in conditions identified with diabetes. The complexities of diabetes in ladies are more hard to analyze. Ladies regularly have various types of coronary illness than men. Hormones and irritation act distinctively in ladies. The discoveries accentuate how diabetes influences ladies and men in an unexpected way. In spite of the fact that the passing rate was higher among ladies already, there has been a move in sexual orientation circulation of SOR2 diabetes demonstrating higher rates among men. The most current revealed details, in 2012, found that 13.4 million ladies and 15.5 million men have been determined to have diabetes in the United States alone. As per the worldwide reports from the World Health Organization from 2014, there was an expected 422 million grown-ups living with diabetes. This is up from 108 million that was accounted for in 1980. Side effects of diabetes in ladies. 1. Vaginal and oral yeast contaminations and vaginal thrush. An excessive yeast caused by the candida growth can cause vaginal yeast contaminations, oral yeast diseases, and vaginal thrush. These contaminations are basic in ladies at the point when the contamination creates in the vaginal region. Indications incorporate tingling, soreness, vaginal release, and difficult sex. Oral yeast contaminations regularly cause a curd discovering on the tongue and within the mouth. Elevated amounts of glucose in the blood triggers the development of organism. 2. Urinary diseases. The danger of a urinary tract disease, UTI, is higher in ladies who have diabetes. UTIs create when microscopic organisms enters the urinary tract. These contaminations can cause difficult pee, a consuming sensation, and ridiculous or shady pee. In the event that left untreated, there's the danger of a kidney contamination. UTIs are normal with diabetes because of poor dissemination and the powerlessness of white platelets to movement through the circulatory system and execute contaminations. 3. Female sexual brokenness. Diabetic neuropathy happens when high blood glucose harms nerve strands. This can trigger shivering and loss of feeling in various parts of the body, including the hands, feet, and legs. This condition may likewise influence sensation in the vaginal region and lower a lady's sex drive. 4. Polycystic ovary disorder. This issue happens when the adrenal organ delivers a higher measure of male hormones. Indications of polycystic ovary disorder, PCOS, incorporate unpredictable periods, weight pickup, skin inflammation, and wretchedness. It can likewise cause barrenness and a kind of insulin protection. This outcomes in hoisted glucose levels and expands the danger of creating diabetes. Side effects experienced by the two ladies and men. The two men and ladies may encounter the accompanying side effects of undiscovered diabetes. Answer by Richa Vinani. Diabetes, often referred to by doctors as diabetes mellitus, describes a group of metabolic diseases in which the person has high blood glucose, blood sugar, either because insulin production is inadequate, or because the body's cells do not respond properly to insulin, or both. Glucose, fasting blood test in Nashik patients with high blood sugar will typically experience polyuria, frequent urination, they will become increasingly thirsty, polydipsia, and hungry, polyphagia. Both men and women may experience the following symptoms of undiagnosed diabetes. Answer by Jintu Kurian. To my extent of knowledge, there is no any big difference in symptoms of diabetes in male and female, but a few symptoms like excess hair fall, infections in genital area, immune deficiency related symptoms are more found in female compared to male. Even female taking care of home and kitchen are found to have poor control over blood sugar as compared to male. Maybe because of the need being alert for making the dishes perfect or so, they keep munching one or the other stuff and that easily shoots up blood glucose level without their awareness. And thus, the symptoms mentioned above are most common in them. Hence, there are more chances for complications related to diabetes in such female as compared to men going for job. Men, not on job or retired, are in same risk for complications in comparison with female taking care of home. It's time for those non-working female and non-working male to be strong enough to get control over the diet even if kept in front of them, and thus to help control 5 symptoms and prevent complications of diabetes.